Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Creative Entrepreneurship channel where we share information on how you can make money online. Kindly click the subscription button if you're yet to subscribe. Click the notification bell so that when I drop videos like this, you'll be the first to see them. And in today's video, I'll be sharing a website where you can offer tutorial services and make money. So on this website, you have opportunity to offer language services, mathematics, music, cooking, and you can offer musical services and so many services on this website. So let me dive into the website as I show you how you can turn your skills into making money. All right. So the name of the website is called Superprof. Superprof. So yes, so this is Superprof. You can see over here. You can offer English, Maths, French, German, Yoruba, Hindu, cryptocurrency, computer programming, piano, Spanish, dance, IELTS, physics, accounting, and so many services. So you can go through them. You can see there are so much that you can offer on Superprof, right? So Victor is from Lagos and he offers academic tutoring and is an expert in digital SATs who tutors individual on different academic tutorial stuffs. So he has over 500 students who achieved from his teachings. So how much does he charge per hour? You can see over here he charged 5,000 naira per hour. So that is Victor. So if you're watching this video and you're in Nigeria, you can apply on Superprof as a tutor, and then you can share your skills and earn. So that is what you're doing on this website. So if you're a teacher, also you have knowledge in teaching different stuffs like mathematics, English language, music, art, and so many. So you just go through the different skills you can offer over here, and if you find your skill over here, then you can kindly apply. All right, so that is how you can do that. So let me just show you how you can sign up. You come over here, you click on sign up, you input your email address, and boom, you can continue. So if I want to continue, I'll click continue. But for the purpose of this video, I'm not creating an account. So this is how you can kindly create an account. So let me go over to my iOS app. Let me see, maybe we have it on iOS. Superprof. Let me see, maybe the app is available. All right, okay, so we can see it. So let me come over to Superprof app. Let me click on it. So Superprof app is free. All right, that helps students find and book lessons with expert teachers. So let's see, so that you go through the app. Okay, I think the app is available for download on Android, right? So if you have an Android phone, you can kindly click free download and download the app. So it's available for download on Android. All right, so what else do you need to know? The countries, we can find Superprof. Sorry, countries. All right, let's see. So in Africa, we have Marius. We have Nigeria, we have South Africa. In Americans, we have Argentina, we have Brazil, Canada, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Mexico, Panama, Peru, United States, Hungary. So I can't call all the countries, so just you kindly come and check if your country is eligible, and you can just apply. So what else? You can also check the payments method. Let's see the payment method. Okay, so payment method, Superprof accept varieties of payment method for student passes. Let's see, want to see the payment method. Okay, let's see how to get paid. So how to get paid on Superprof. Hold on for a moment. On side, your balance will be transferred to your bank account or PayPal account within 3 working days if the amount is at least $30. So this is the information I want to see. So that means you can receive the money directly to your bank account, which is so good. And also if you have a PayPal account which is available in other countries of the world, then you can link your payment system. So what are we doing on this website? Just like I said, you can share your skills and earn a lot of money by offering tutorial lessons to students who might need this opportunity. So this is a website that will help you to make a lot of income. So what do you need to do on this website? You create your profile, you set your rates, how much do you want to charge per hour, you pick a lesson flexibility, your lesson plan, your lesson time, and also you can make that better as you proceed on Superprof. And also you get paid quickly, just like I said. Within 3 working days you are going to get and receive your money. All right, so the lastly, you can build your reputation. And how do you build your reputation? After every lesson, students will leave some reviews. It should be positive and negative reviews. So make sure that the value you are trying to share on this website, it's a positive value that you're going to share on the website. So that is just what Superprof is all about. So you can start earning today on Superprof by offering different skills and make a lot of money. So guys, if you've gotten value from this video, kindly smash the like button and share this video with your friends who might need this opportunity. And if you have any question regarding this video, kindly go to the comment section. I will be there to answer your questions. All right, so don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you will not miss on the tips and tricks that are going to boost your side hustle. So guys, I'll be seeing you guys next time in my next